enviroglobe.com. How to edit reads and ports, images, heading, content, and read more page information. Step 1. Go to admin panel, click to sports, click to all sports. After click all ports, this panel will be show. 3 ports it's there: climate change, the million, recycling opportunity, privatization. This 3 option edit it will be there. First, mouse over the heading, below the mouse over, edit option, quick edit option, trace, view, duplicate this. How to edit the page? Click to edit. After click edit option, this tab will be show. Heading have to edit this place. Remove, add, information, content, duplication, or adding or changes. It's there. It's like Word document base only. How to replace the image? Click first. Remove block. Click to plus symbol. Click the images. Upload. Change the images. Example. Click to open. Image also align left and right. This is the arrow mark. Change image alignment. Align left. Align center. Align right. How much content you update this? It's your wish. In right side tab, ports and block it's there. Have to click post. Go to category. Select any of the category or add category new. Example, today date I am adding. Add new category. Select the category. More number of category also we select, or one you need one, it's select one. Next, change the featured image. For this image and read more page image, it's same only. Select the replace image, upload the file, click to select files, relevant image you can upload, click to open button, click to set features image button, After every input what's updated, go to click on the button update. Now refresh the website. Scroll down. We changed title, little bit modification, images changed, read more page, content some changes done, categories added, today date, images changed. This is the output of editing post. Same method have to edit other two posts also. Now how to create new post. Go to add new. Click new tab. After click new post, this tab will be open. First we add title. Oil and gas revenues. I am added the title. After added the title, we add some of the paragraph information. Copy and paste the information, or also we type. Example, how to add images. Click to plus symbol, click to images, click to upload image. After image also we add the content. Next, go to right side post, click, add the category environmental or development, anything. Also in this place create new category. Example, oil and gas. Feature images. Click to select the image, upload file, add feature images. I am uploading example of the world map. Click on the button set feature images. After every images information added, new page creating means it will be button show publish. Already information I have to edit means it will be show the button update. Now we creating new post, so it's showing button was published. Click on the button publish. After publish, now button showing update. Now refresh the website. We added new post, oil and gas revenues. In this information, images, heading, content, read more information. We added in this place right side, left side information, replace the right side option, how to it will change. Edit pages, layout option, Present it's showing left side bar. We have to change right side bar. Click and update the info button. After update, refresh the website. Now it's showing the right side column like this. Now ports were 4, it's there. We created this one. This was new post created final output.